Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. Today might be the start of something very, very big for Bitcoin and Ethereum. What am I talking about here? Well, I will show you my $4.4 million trade, but also where I am going to put in potentially another $4 million in a new trade. I will talk about all of that for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. Make sure you watch this video until the very end because I have some mind-blowing data, some mind-blowing patterns in the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts to show you. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Our last videos are almost crushing every single time. 10,000 likes. One got even like 12,000 likes. Thank you so much for that. And now let's go straight into the content. And a quick thing, guys, before we are going into the charts and I'm showing you my price targets for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the immediate short term, I wanted to give you a very, very important update. Over on Bybit, actually the exchange I'm using the most next to Phemex, we have the highest bonus I ever had so far, $1,610. This is for new Bybit users. So if you are a subscriber to the MMCrypto channel and you have not used the bonus link before or so, go down below to the pinned comment. Click this specific link, and after your initial deposit, this is for my subscribers, you get $1,610 completely for free. Once again, this is for new users only. And I mean, you still get $600 if you are existing user, but for new users with this new account here, you get in the pinned comment down below $1,610. The nice thing is $3,520 in total bonuses down below in the pinned comment. If you click the link, you make your account after your initial deposit, you get this bonus for free. Make sure you go down below if you're an experienced trader and you take advantage of that. And now let's go straight into it. Let me quickly switch the camera. Let's go straight back into the charts because, as I already said, today might be the start of something very big for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And here, this is actually the Ethereum chart. I want to start with Bitcoin, actually. I hope you forgive me. Let's start with Bitcoin because we can see here on the 4-hourly candles that still exactly what we were predicting earlier was happening. The Bitcoin price was breaking out towards the upside. We hit our first price target already. And now the question is, are we going higher? Well, let me zoom in a little bit. And you know what? Let me go down to the 15-minute candles. And even if you are watching this all after the breakout already, still very relevant, because what we can see here that within the next hour or two, Bitcoin has to choose a direction here, at least in the immediate short term for today. And if we were to break out towards the upside, the likelihood is very high that we are today even breaking the $40,600. If Bitcoin breaks down though, I am still expecting a big support approximately at the previous low, because that's still the Fibonacci golden pocket, 36,361, at least unlikely to break. And now the question is, how high can we go if this bull trend towards the upside is going to continue? Well, I already talked about this yesterday, but it is, for me personally, it is so important, so relevant that I'm not getting tired to use this tool. And I will use the same thing for Ethereum because there we can see some interesting convergence coming in. So right now, the first price profit-taking area is already hit. The next one is at 46,800 and then 51,000 respectively. And of course, talking about my trade, if I'm going over here, you can see I put my money where my mouth is. I'm not getting weekends. I am still in this specific trade. $4.4 million approximately. You can see it on the right bottom corner. $600,000 in a profit, 160%. And you might say, Chris, you don't have enough from that? No, I am telling you guys, this is how we made millions and millions as community, hundreds of millions, potentially billions of US dollars together. I saw you guys always commenting your profits because whenever a bull trend starts, you need this bias and then you take profits continuously towards the upside. This is how you can make these significant gains. Of course, do not forget to take profits, but also do not forget that Bitcoin is usually going higher than expected and more volatile than expected. And the last thing I wanted to talk about in regards to Bitcoin is, of course, number one, the daily ribbon, which is about to flip very soon. We are talking about within the next week. This ribbon is going to flip, and the daily ribbon is extremely important. Look what happened the last time it flipped bearish, right here. Downtrend. Let's see what happened the last time it flipped bullish. Well, guys, I'm telling you, this was explosive. That's why I'm saying today might be the start of something very, very big. So looking at the weekly candles, this is of course the most important ribbon here. We are still below, so we still have to break it. But I mean, honestly, guys, Actually, wow. Look at this. We are above. So if Bitcoin closes the weekly candle above this, we are back above the 21-week EMA. This is certainly some good news. And now I know we have so many Ethereum fans here, Ethereum friends and Ethereum holders. I am one of them. Honestly, guys, I am a big one. And if we are going down to the 4-hourly candles, you can see that Ethereum broke out of a completely different pattern here. Let me quickly readjust this. And you can see this was descending triangle, so to speak, and we already broke out. We hit my first price target right there. The interesting thing is this here is the neckline. We have to break the neckline because this is a W pattern. If we are breaking the neckline, we are talking about the price target I was mentioning earlier of almost $3,100. But this is where the magic comes in, guys. If I am pulling out the Fibonacci extension level from the bottom to the top, then look at this. What a nice coincidence here. We have some beautiful convergence coming in. What a surprise at the 50% Fibonacci extension level, extension level, $3,100. We have the perfect convergence here coming in, and then of course my next price target would be $3,400 at the famous golden pocket. This is very interesting to mention, and honestly, guys, this is not it yet. I am not even done with you. First of all, before I'm going into the next news points, and I have some crazy news for you as well, smash up the like button. Like, recently, the likes are completely going crazy. The likes are completely going crazy. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just so happy to see that, because even before the price pump, we were the most engaged, most lively community in the world. And I think this is something beautiful, and I am very proud of having a community like you. In good times and bad times, we are spreading love. We are making noise for the algorithm, and this is amazing. Now let me go here into the news. Before I'm going into the news, just a reminder, quick reminder, in the pinned comment down below, you get $3,520 for free, $1,610 for on the Bybit exchange alone, to $1,200 on Femex. We never had this in total, such a big bonus. On like a 30x leverage, this is more than $100,000 trade for free. Take advantage of this if you are an experienced trader, because it is only for limited time. And what I wanted to talk about is, look at this. So you can see in the media that Tesla made a loss of 23 million. Well, big coincidence, because their due date was when they were at this slight loss. And why slight loss? Well, they put in 1.5 billion. 23 million is nothing for this, especially considering that they had to calculate this in the middle of this bear trend. So this is actually not that bad. And now they are 20%, like 15%. So they are at 225 million US dollar profit right now. So I want to see the news article about that. Anyway, and then also the mining difficulty is increasing for the first time since the China crackdown. What does this mean? Well, since the Chinese miners were taking off their mining equipment, of course the hash rate was decreasing significantly, and every 2 weeks the difficulty is adjusting as well. Well, now more mining power is getting into the Bitcoin network again. This means that the difficulty rate was just adjusting towards the upside. This is something good, because in the end of the day, the amount of hashing power determines the security of the network. It's a fundamental indicator, and long-term very good. Also, I am looking out for another technical indicator in regards to that, which is the hasribbon. I will talk about that later on. Let me know what you think about that, guys. I think bright times are potentially to come for Bitcoin, hopefully. Or no, not hopefully, finally. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, for leaving thoughts down below, but most importantly, sharing the video among your friends. Sharing is caring, and sharing actually is what brings the content out into the world. Thank you so much for that. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.